Hey all, today we are going to discuss upright flat spins. These are a little bit more challenging than the inverted flat spins, but really they're not that difficult. There's just a couple of tricks that make them a little bit easier, and I'm going to share those with you. Alright, so let's get to it. With this plane, I'm using my high rates. You can see how I've got my plane set up here. It's better to have a neutral to forward CG. Tail heavy planes don't do upright flat spins well, and throttle control on an upright flat spin is an absolute best. You can hear here that I'm using the throttle as I'm letting the plane descend. Unlike the example here with an inverted flat spin where I can cut the throttle and the plane will descend, it won't work. And let me explain why. When you add your rudder, it causes the plane, the nose of the plane, and your left wing to want to drop. So to counter that, what we do is we add some throttle, we push the air back, deflect the surfaces, and then we're going to push that tail down and we're going to push that right wing down, and then it's going to start to rotate and flatten out. So let's look at it here again. You can see, adding that throttle, and the plane is descending well. Alright, let's break it down. Alright, first thing we do is we start with our down line, and then we're going to go ahead and add in some left aileron. That's going to instigate the spin. Once we instigate the spin, with the throttle cut, we're going to add left rudder and up elevator. Then we're going to center the ailerons and ease up the throttle, and then we're going to slowly move them to the right. That's going to start your spin, and it's going to descend from there. Like always, I'm going to ask you to like, share, subscribe, do all of that stuff, because that's how I grow this channel. Alright, then we add some throttle and we power out. Alright, let's talk about some problems you might have. Here in this one, you can see I don't actually commit to the throttle and I don't commit to the ailerons, and the plane is just kind of wallering around and dropping. You can see in this example, I add too much throttle too quickly and that wing flares, and then it causes the plane to waller around. Smooth and easy is the way to do this. In the next episode, we'll talk about knife edge spins. Until then, like, share, subscribe, comment below, and happy landings.